Me and Lily have made it to Mexico City. We're getting some coffee. I'm gonna try a little pastry, and it's our first night, our first day, so we gotta go find the tacos, and we have dinner reservations at Pujol, and we're both so excited. I think that's how you say it. And I got an mustard taco. This taco's good.
Yeah. Okay, I'm glad.
It's a different type of good.
Yeah.
Y'all, the first taco we had, I put the green salsa on it and it was a little too spicy for me. So now we have like all of these. And I'm scared to like try which one because I don't want it to be too spicy. We've gotten ready for dinner. We went and got a blowout at the White Room, which is in Polanco, around where we're staying at. And this is my fit for dinner tonight. We're going to Pujol, and of course I'm gonna bring my camera and show you guys. Let's see, what did we do today? We literally landed from the airport. We took an Uber that took like an hour to get to where we needed to go. And then we checked into our hotel. We ate tacos. Literally had the best taco that we've both had. I ended up actually putting too much hot sauce on it and I couldn't finish it because like my mouth was literal on fire. My mouth was literally like that I'm fine dog and fire meme. And so I'm gonna go back tomorrow, but I'm gonna get the taco with no hot sauce. So this is the fit for dinner. We're gonna get some pre-dinner cocktails and then head out. I was originally gonna wear a pink dress, but because I blew my hair out and it looked so good, I was just like, well, maybe I need to wear a different outfit with this, you know? And I love this outfit, so. We did a little location change. We're now in our new Airbnb and waiting for our friends to come into town. It was just me and Lily last night, but they literally have no AC. They only have fans, so that's going to be interesting. We'll see how that goes. But I'm going to do like a little tour of the space. It has 2 bathrooms, 4 beds, and this one is in the Roma Norte neighborhood. The hotel that we were staying at yesterday is in Polanco, so the vibes of the neighborhoods are completely different. We have our cocktail class tonight, and I'm excited about it. And yeah, and also excited to eat all the tacos today too. Cricket salt. Can you eat that? Protein. Can she eat that?
Vitamins, protein.
Probably not.
Okay.
And Gusan was warm.
Oh, yeah, I can't do that.
Warm.
Explain the process, okay? First, we cut the leaves in the field to obtain the piñas.
Guys, we are at El Güero Tacos. I got a bistec taco. I also got al pastor. And I got a Coca-Cola light. So, I'm like halfway through my bistec, as you can see.
Look at me like that. It's really.
I needed this. Yeah. Oh. Some matcha. This is matcha, whole milk, and we're all doing taste tests.
I got the banana latte.
What did you get
I
for
got the strawberry ichigo latte.
Yummy.
I got the red bean latte.
Oh, is that a coffee? Oh.
Yeah. I went to get matcha.
Oh, this tastes like matcha. Much better.
Goodbye, strawberry. That's good. And it's their homemade strawberry, like puree that they made. Pretty good.
Hola, ¿me puede dar una concha de vainilla y una concha de vainilla y una ricota limón? ¿Hay algo más que recomendar?
El rosy guayaba es nuestro pan gomoso. Después de este, cualquiera de las galletas o el limón de blueberry y lavanda.
Ok, dame el de guayaba que me dijiste. Winnie. Winnie, como Winnie the Pooh. So, I'm gonna taste everything here because that line was crazy. There was nowhere to sit. Before I do the most and finish this off because it's so good, I'm gonna try the other one that I got, which is limon, ricotta limon. I don't know. This is what it looks like. It's just like, it looks like a puff pastry. It's very lemony. I don't know if I like that. But it's very flaky. No, I see the limon. That one was my least favorite, so I'm gonna go back to my babe. Horchata?
It tastes like milk base, but
like
not like
milk
lavender.
How's the horchata? It looks so good.
Is dessert Christmas in a cup.
Ooh.
Look at this beautiful,
Oh, no gracias.
beautiful mug. Coconut on the rim. Perfect amount of ice cubes.
Okay, Anthony Bourdain. I'm eating the cochinita and she's eating the battered fish. And I already ate it, but it's so good. I also got horchata. Cheers! That's really good. That's so good.
That little mushroom! It's olive oil bread.
Ooh, yes, me.
And this is the egg bread. Olive oil bread, it's Don Julio Blanco. Used with extra virgin olive oil. Let blanc with rosemary and apple juice. That's it.
We are doing the trajineras today, and we got to Xochimilco a little too early, but we're like 3 tacos in, and now we're just waiting, looking at all the shops. My name is Winnie, and this is my first margarita.
My name is Priya, and this is my first one. My name is Rashmili, and this is my first margarita. My name is Lily, and this is my first margarita. Taking a shot of mezcal. I've never taken a shot of mezcal, but I love it. Let's do the orange first.
So, there's gonna be a guacamole contest.
And we're gonna win.
Yeah, we are gonna win. This is our guac.
I'll tell you something. These people, chumps. They're chumps. Okay. Chomp. This chomp. No, chomps.
They were smart because if you put it all in, it won't mess up. You have like,
Alright, because it's enough.
yeah. So I'm thinking we put all of this in and a little bit of salt.
And that's no. So how much you put in?
Maybe it's enough mushing though, I'm not gonna lie. My name is Lily and this is my second drink.
My name is Rich Mealy. This is my second shot.
My name is Winnie, and this is my second drink.
My name is Priya, and this is my second drink.
My name's Lily and this is my third drink.
My name is Rich Mealy. This is my third shot. Fourth drink.
My name is Winnie, and this is my third drink. My name is Priya, and this is my third drink. So everyone's on their little bathroom break. I'm not. I'm taking another shot. My name is Winnie, and this is my fourth drink. My name is Priya, and this is my fourth drink. Okay, can we take it? Take it. Forgot to do the orange. My name is Winnie, and this is my fifth drink. My name is Priya, and this is my fifth drink.
Oh, that was. I feel that. That's different than this.
My name is Lily and I think this is my fourth drink.
My name is Rich Mealy. This is my fourth shot. It's a full one. They made me do a full one. She's trying fifth drink. Okay.
Wait, I didn't do a shot with you guys last time. This is my fourth.
Oh, okay. My bad.
Oh, and this is really my fourth.
Priya. Wait, what number is that?
6.
Okay. My name is Winnie, and this is my sixth shot.
By the way, on TikTok.
Oh, she's really famous. And she has a YouTube. You should subscribe.
No one buys that. It's just like
My name is Winnie, and this is my sixth shot.
How was your sixth shot?
My name is Priya, and this is
Catch up!
shut up. Fuck. This is my sixth shot.
Oh, wait, we didn't take this. My name is Rich Mealy. This is my sixth shot. Hey, my name is Rich Mealy. This is my seventh.
Hi, this is Priya. and This is my sixth drink.
This is my, hi, I'm Rich Mealy. This is my 19th shot. And
My name is Winnie, and this is my seventh shot. I'm Priya, and this is my seventh shot. Yeah. Cheers. Oh my god. Hey, you gotta put your Toronto accent on.
Yo, fam, nice your big shorty bear catty counts.
This is my, I don't know what shot. What shot is this?
Priya, you're cheating. Look at that small ass glass.
Salad!
You know, we're Mexicans, we're kind of crazy a little bit, and we do some.
hi, I'm Rich Mealy. I have jicama. And my ninth. Okay.
No, of course.
My name is Winnie, and this is my ninth shot.
This is my winning shot.
Your Winnie shot, I love it. My name is Priya. I don't know what's going on.
Hey, my name is Rich Mealy. Hey, this is my 95 shot.
Is that a tequila shot? Okay. Oh, my name is Winnie, and this is my 9th or 10th shot. I don't fucking know, guys. Okay, wait. Which one? Lemon? Limon? Go all the way back. That's what just here. Thank you.
My name's Lily and I think this is my 7th shot.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Rich Mealy. I lost count.
My name is Winnie, and this is my 11th shot. My name is Free. My name is Free.
What shot is this?
11? No.
11. 10. 10.
This is 10. And Cheers.